Hi, this is Blitz, semi-automatic coffee machine from Technosystem, and I will show you step by step how it works. It is able to pour pod coffee. So this is the kind of the pod. So you see, you just open the package and you see like a tea bag, but it's obviously made of coffee, ground coffee, already done. Before you turn it on, you have to check if you have enough water to run the system. So you pull this tray and you see these tubes connected to a water container. So you slide it out and you fill it up, and you have a max level. You can fill that up to 5 liters. You check it in, put the tubes inside the container, put this lid back on. So after that, you push this button, you turn it on, the machine. You'll see that a red light will pop on here, and you have to wait to heat it up. 2 minutes, you see the green lights turn on. So these lights on means that you're ready to do coffees, but you're not ready yet to do milk. You have to wait until this green light turns on. After 5 minutes and a half, you can see that the green light on the hot milk turned on, and the pressure gauge is about 1.2. It's very good. It's a good idea to flush the machine before doing your coffee. So you have to slide this handle until you hear this click noise. Then you're able to push the manual button, and you could see water coming through the coffee spout. So turn that off, and also flush the milk. You just insert this tube inside this little hole, push the milk button, and then push back. Push the handle back again to the rest position. Get your coffee pod, insert, push the handle back in until the noise. Put your cup underneath. And I will choose for a long shot. A long shot with a nice creamer. You get the tube, push the milk button just to make sure there is no water in the tube. So get this tube, insert on your favorite milk type. You can actually adjust your phone. Push this button. Take your tube from your milk box, insert inside the little hole that you have in your machine. Take your cup out and flush it. This works to take all the milk inside the system. So you have to do this every time that you do your milk. And after that, you have to slide the handle off take your coffee out, throw it out. Okay, this Blitz coffee machine, it's a very easy to maintain, very reliable. This machine has 2 brass thermal blocks. It means that you can do the milk and the coffee at the same time. So it saves you time. It's very suitable for a small office or a small cafe. If you use this machine like every day, you have to do a full scale every 6 months. Also, you have a hot water spout for tea or whatever you use you can have. So you just press and hold the hot water button and you will have hot water straight ahead. I used to fit 3 mugs here and 3 cups and also a single glass. And this one that I already made it, you can also fit in here. So it's plenty of space. So this machine, all the case is made of metal. You have this chrome finished underneath. You have the drip tray. You have a metal grill, but the drip tray by itself is plastic. Very nice machine, I love it. I love the coffee.